how to fix GIF not sending on WhatsApp. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like GIF not sending on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of your WhatsApp on your device. So to confirm that, you'll have to just open the App Store or Play Store on your device. So simply you have to open it. And now from here in the source field, you'll have to type for WhatsApp. Alright, so after you search the WhatsApp, you will got information for the updates available on the WhatsApp. So from here, you can confirm that you have the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. So after you confirm from here, you'll have to just back from here and open the device setting. So from here in the setting, you'll have to scroll down and go the option app. So simply open the app setting. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the app WhatsApp. Alright, so after you find the WhatsApp, you'll have to just tap on the WhatsApp. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the option storage. Alright, so from the storage section, you'll have to clear the cache of the WhatsApp. So simply tap on the clear cache. Alright, so after you done this from here, your problem might be solved now. So you can easily open the WhatsApp and send GIF to your friends. So from here, you can send the GIF. Okay, so like this way you can send the GIF on your WhatsApp. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall the WhatsApp and re-login with your account. So from there, your problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest way. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.